Firstly, we import the link component from the Next link module. Link is a built-in Next.js component that enables client-side navigation between pages. The navigation works without the page refreshing, which is faster than the default browser navigation. Now, we start by declaring our navigation component. This component will render navigation links that route to dynamic pages within our Next.js application. Dynamic routes allow us to create pages that can change based on the data provided in the URL path. We define the navigation component as a functional component. We'll populate it with our navigation logic shortly. Inside the component, we define constants for user ID and post ID, which represent dynamic segments of our URL paths. These will be used to programmatically navigate to specific user profiles and posts. We define a nav element, which will act as a container for our navigation links. This helps with semantic HTML and can also assist with styling and accessibility. Here, we use the link component to create our first navigation link. In the href prop, we construct a dynamic route, using template literals to inject the user ID into the path. When clicked, this link will navigate to the profile page for user 123. This anchor tag is the clickable element within the link component. The text "Go to user profile" will be displayed to the user, and they can click it to navigate to the user's profile page. Next, we create another link component. This time, we're navigating to a dynamic post page, and also including a query parameter. The path name is constructed with the post ID, and the query parameter ref is set to newsletter. Similarly to the first link, the text "Read the post" with ref query param is placed inside an anchor tag, and when clicked will navigate to the specified post with the query parameter included. We close the nav element and the JSX return statement. This concludes our navigation component, containing two links that navigates to different dynamic routes. Finally, we end the navigation component with an export statement. This exports the component as a default export, so it can be imported and used in other parts of our Next.js application.